So ngifuna ukuthatha nje leli thuba nganza kwethu kulabo esinabo la ukuthi sivalelise omunye udadewethu bese-actela os-actele kamnandi ngalendlela eyisimanga kule season lena ekuwukuthi asikaze sibe nenkinga ngisho eyodwa naye sebenze kahle nje kakhulu sabekezelelana Franz yimali so sabekezelelana nje bafethu from day one ngiyakhumbula sayale emakhaya sibambele nabo bafowethu saqala ukuhlangana abanye babo siqala ukubonana nokusebenza ndawonye but sabambisana nodadewethu up until today igama lakhe uXoli madam siyabonga kakhulu siyabonga kakhulu for ukusinikeza ithuba udele umndeni wakho ube nathi la usiphi italente lakho nathi la singaboni kahle khona sibonisane nawe la ungaboni khona ubonisane nathi siphathene kahle and ngiyafisa ukuthi ngikusho lokho ngaphakathi enhlizweni yami ukuthi unalo italente likhulu siswami ngicela nje uqhubeke nalo likondle uliphathe kahle uNkulunkulu futhi ungamkhohlwa futhi naye akubusise njalo akungezele iminyaka yokuphila. Well done madam. Amen. Ngokusho ke ngifuna ukuthi it's a wrap for Uxoli this season. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ngamalanga awafani. Well guys, sekuseduze ke la siyakhona bakithi niyakhumbula ngithi ukuthi amalanga awafani season 1 waphela kwathiwa ke season 2 uzoqala udlala ke mhla 25 May. So ke siyasondela ke kancane guys to season 2 amalanga awafani. Akhona ke ama cast members angeke asabuya for season 2. Omunye wabo guys uXoli ke akabuyi for season 2. We don't know ukuthi kuzokwenzekani ngecharacter yakhe, bazombulala or uzoboshwa or kuzokwenzekalani, but as for season 2 uXoli akazobuya ke guys. As you have heard on the video ke bembonga ukuthi ke udlale ke kahle kakhulu. So yeah guys, there was a time where I thought ukuthi character yakhe ke bayikhatha ngesikhathi ke besanda kusuka ke enquthu beya ke eThekwini. There was a time where nje wangazi ukuthi bayikhatha character yakhe but ke babuye ke bayibhala ke kabusha nje wasimbone guys ezegcina ke esedubula ke oThunami. So yeah guys, that's what you can expect kulo season 2 zoqala. I'm not sure about ifamily yaka Dlamini le ehlala eThekwini ukuthi yona izobuya yini, because the main character their family kade ubaba ke uSabelo. So we are about to find out. Just comment below usho ukuthi ke ibapha ofisa ukuthi bangabuya kuphi la ofisa ukuthi bangalungisa khona. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.